Welcome to the Badrikam Tech YouTube channel. Today I will describe how we have done maintenance work for QY80 overhead crane. In industrial purpose, different overhead crane large size it is used. The crane was not functioning properly, but the crane is needed for our some emergency maintenance works. So we need to maintain the crane. At first we opened its overhead cover. This is the cover. Inside this cover the engine is here, you see. So we need to open the crane cover. 80-ton crane and its cover is opened, you see. This is the stair and silencer pipe. This is outed from its main part. This cover is here, different bolt. When we open these bolts and then it is open from this unit. This is the weight, counterweight, and for some reason the engine was not functioning, so its engine needs to maintain. At first its engine is opened completely from its base, and then in workshop its different spare parts are cleaned and maintenance works, and also different parts are exchanged by new one. And after all maintenance work, this is the maintenance tools which is returned in factory, and in factory again the engine is here assembled, its piston and another items, necessary parts is installed in the factory. The maintenance work is done very cautiously, and its nut bolts, necessary parts which is needed is cleaned and then fitted its position. This is the engine, crane engine, 80-ton overhead crane engine for industrial purposes. Different needs. Crane is used for loading and unloading higher weighted parts and equipments. And in factory, after workshop maintenance works, different parts are cleaned and then installed. The engine, the maintenance work is running. After completion of the maintenance work, the engine is fitted to its base, and after fitting, different connections were done. You see, the maintenance works for the crane is running here. For this maintenance works, another crane is used here. Because the engine is heavy loaded, the engine is kept here with the help of crane and forklift. This is the blower unit and motor radiator fan which cool the engine. This work is somewhat complicated. The crane engine maintenance work is not as like the different other bus or truck or heavy car engine. It is somewhat different type, likely same, but there is some difference. Here is the maintenance work. Urgent basis, this works done for industrial purposes. It is a very essential equipment, and this is hydraulic system. Here is the rope, you see. Different bolts are tightened and the maintenance work is done. Here is the rope. This rope, when it is run, then this rope is used for load and unload the weight. Here is the electrical control room or control panel. When we check the crane after maintenance work, it is started clearly, but its accelerator was not functioning properly, so without acceleration it is not turned to do the necessary works. So we checked its electrical parts. Here is the card. You see, this is card. Here the input signal is 4 to 20 milliampere, and also output signal is 4 to 20 milliampere, and supply voltage output is 24 volt DC. When we accelerate, then its input signal comes to this card, and then output signal it is outed, and which is go through its engine parts, and there is a controller, and this controller will function, and then by its nozzle fuel flow control the lifter unit or the crane. For acceleration two system, there is hand system and leg system, pressure system, but the card is not available. You see, here is two output. Here there was two output system, and this is the control system. We saw that in previous one of the output line was not functioning properly, so it is interchanged the output signal, and then the crane was functioning properly. But now also the unused or the used output system is again not working. So this card is not available, it needs to procure. So for urgent basis we thought that how it can be solved. We saw the drawing. Here is the drawing part. This is the acceleration part of the crane. You see, this is a rheostat, and minus 5 volt plus 5 volt in, and here is also plus 5 volt minus 5 volt in, and output is, here is, this is output 00 and this is output 01. In previous this output was not functioning properly, so it is interchanged to output A01 analog signal, but it was not working. So in emergency basis, this input signal which comes from the acceleration of the engine, here is two unit, this is hand throttle and this is leg or accelerator. Here we bypass this unit, and here is when we press the signal by our leg, then this current signal increases 4 to 20 milliampere. So here we disconnect this cable, and then this is open this cable and connected this cable. Then when we press the acceleration button, then this current will come to this unit to the engine, and then it will function. So emergency basis it is not clearly safe, but for our urgent basis we change this connection. Here is the connection, this is input output cable, and this is input cable. So we connected this short circuited or connected this cable, and this cable is connected to the engine controller. And after connecting this, we checked the crane, the acceleration is functioning, and we take decision within a short period we need to buy this card, and after procurement this card it is to be interchanged. Now in this way we solved our electrical function, and then we checked mechanically increasing the acceleration the engine is working or not. We saw that engine is working properly and taking its load. We run the engine likely 12 to 14 hours at the first time after maintenance. If any problem, to find out the problem, the engine is run for about 12 to 14 hours. After this time, by increasing acceleration and taking load, and it's changing the boom position upper and downwards, we saw its function, the crane engine is functioning properly or not, and also we check the different parts overrated or not, and after that everything is okay. You see the overhead crane boom is functioning okay. Then we took the crane in a straight way. We need to enlarge the crane boom or somewhat higher loaded function. At first we need to disassemble the boom, so we disconnected this boom. Here is pin. This pin has inside a hole, so at the time of connection of this boom we need to cautious that the pin is alignment is in vertical position. At first we open the pin of this boom, and then after inside these two boom we insert the new boom. Now we want to connect the boom to enlarge the boom. This is the new boom, and here is the pin. At first we need to center this hole. Inside this hole there is a pin. Also in the pin there is a lock nut, and lock position, it is to be remembered that the bolt lock hole is perpendicular to this position, because when we insert this bolt, then we need to insert the lock pin. If the hole is not in this way upper side, then it is not possible to insert the lock pin. So it is to be remembered. For the first time when we inserted this bolt, this hole center is not aligned and it is not okay. So second time the bolt is to be opened. So this is to be remembered that the center is okay, and also here is hole position, and this bolt is to be inserted. After inserting this bolt, we connected the lock nut, and after that here is a rope and a pulley is to be inserted to alignment correction. You see this is not parallel. With the help of the crane and forklift, this maintenance work is going on. After inserting all the bolts, and you see this is the rope, and this is a short piece rope, and here is also a short piece rope. This short piece rope is connected with this boom. For every boom, this short piece wire or rope is fixed, and this rope is now to be connected with this rope by nut bolt system. Here is the pin, lock pin. You see this is inserted rightly. In this way all this lock pin is to be connected. For the first time this crane engine overhauling works is done, This is our another crane. This is it's the new crane capacity is 20 ton. This is our 80 ton capacity crane, and it is very essential for industrial purposes. The work is done very cautiously, and by this crane we need to lift heavy loaded weight. So to complete this work, always we try to safely. Hole center is not too clear, that sometimes some problems may create. So physically we need to see the hole center is rightly okay or not. And then after, this is the pin, and then all mechanical work, we completed the maintenance works. Now the crane is ready for work. Thanks everyone for watching this video.